What is up? It is your boy Chris Colgan. I got the Jordan 4 University Blues finally in hand. Finally was able to get my hands on them. These were probably the hardest pair to find in like the last several months. Finally got a plug that got a pair for me, and these things are sick. I have been looking forever. You can see they're a box pair and everything's included. You know me, I am not going to sit here and bore you guys to death with a bunch of fabric information and all that. Let's just get right into it. They're dropping towards the end of April. These things are sick, man. Like, we're going to show you guys some footage, but here's my thoughts on them. Retail is going to be about $225. Nike is already having mad inventory problems right out the gate this year. So you know, just like the Jordan 1 University Blues, all these other shoes, these things are going to be tough to get, are going to command a high resale price. This is my guess. Right now, as of end of February, they're going for about $900 already. They're going to slowly creep down, probably, would be my guess, to about $500. Around there would be a good time, if you can get them early, to buy a pair for $500. Because we all know you are not getting these bad boys for retail price of $225 unless you're the luckiest person ever and you do what is smart and hit the like button, which gives you more chances to hit on the sneakers app. Because I am good luck. It is scientifically proven. You see all the early shoes I get. Have you seen anybody else with these? No. So my guess would be you ain't going to get them at retail. They're going to be on footsites most likely, so they're going to be botted like crazy. And we all know sneakers app can barely even be botted, maybe by like 1 or 2 bot machines. They're going to go up to anywhere about $500 after that. Smaller sizes are obviously going to be the more expensive sizes, so the grade school or whatever, if they do drop those are going to be the ones to get for sure if you're just looking to resale. 100%, I am telling you, these things are going to be hot as Bitcoin, GameStop, Dogcoin, whatever the hell everybody else is buying. These are going to be some hot shoes. Check these things out. Real quick, watch the footage we shot. Comment below what you guys think. All right, I hope you enjoyed the footage. So quick recap. If you want to get these, to get them early, it's going to be a little dangerous, I'm not going to lie. You're going to want to make sure that if somebody's selling them online, like especially Facebook Marketplace and all that, I don't know if any UAs are out there yet. I haven't really seen any of these because these were really well hidden by Nike and didn't really come out until the box pairs came out. Like, I only saw one early pair this year. My boy Leak Sneaks had them and they got out. But definitely be careful. Use like something like the Check app if you're going to buy a pair without a box. Again, my guess would be we're going to drop down to like 500. See that all the way till they drop. Retail $225. The only way I'm thinking to get them is you get lucky on the sneakers app or you find like a botter or somebody, because I have no idea how to work that shit. Somebody that knows how to do it that can bot these footsites, or you get online with like a lucky raffle with Foot Locker or somebody like that. That is going to be the only way I can think of. My phone is already blowing up because I posted on Instagram about these shoes because the king of early sneakers already made a video, and then everybody's like, how? And gets all upset. We got them, baby. We did it. Definitely buy these things. Let me know what you think. Follow me on Instagram at Chris Colgan. Like and subscribe. Let's get this channel blown up, and I will keep bringing you guys valuable information. I appreciate you watching. We will see you at the top or from the top. And also, one more cool thing, you can cut the tags off of these. I'm definitely not cutting that off. I'm keeping that joint on there. These are going to be my personal pair. Do not ask me to buy them. Hell no. Unless you got like your mom's credit card and she said, yeah, give Chris $3,000 and she's hot, then I will do it. Peace.